Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you today on how you could join Fiverr's affiliate program. Now, I'll show you step by step in this video how it's done. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, head over to a page like Safari or a browser and go ahead and search up Fiverr affiliate program. Now, when you do, it should show something just like this. It should show Fiverr affiliates and the Fiverr affiliates program. Now, click on the website, and when you do, it should bring you to the Fiverr affiliates website. Now, here it says you could boost your earnings and much more, and you could choose your commission plan. And overall, it just gives you a base of what's actually going to happen when you're actually affiliated with them. So, if that's up for you, click the Join Now button, and when you do, it should redirect you to the app or redirect you to the sign up page. And here you can just go ahead and sign up to Fiverr. It should be pretty straightforward from here, but go ahead and put your first, last name, email, and then create a username and password. And once you do that, you could choose the account type. Now here, if you're a little confused, you could choose private since you're an individual, but if you're a company, you could choose a company. But for the sake of this video, choose private. And then here, it's going to ask, do you have a main source of traffic? You could put no and yes, but get preferably I'd put yes because they'll want you in the affiliate program. So just make sure that you click yes, and they'll go ahead and approve you a lot quicker. And just put the URL of your main source traffic, select the country, choose the preferred language of your type, and then go ahead and put it in Skype. Now from here, it should be pretty straightforward, and then you're gonna have to wait a little bit for them to actually accept you, I believe, into the Fiverr affiliate program. I believe it's either you have to wait or you're accepted almost immediately. So that's how you join the Fiverr affiliates program. If you did find this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all until next time.